Hello, my name is Kimbal Abstron. Welcome to my channel. And today we're going to create a splash screen in Android application. When you open your Play Store in your Android phone, what you first see is this icon that you can see on my screen right now, and that is before the application now opens to the main activity in that application, and that is what we're going to do. We're going to create a splash screen for this a simple application that I've created earlier. So what we need to do is we need to create a new activity, new empty activity. I'm going to call it start. Okay, let me call it splash screen first. Splash screen. Just before we continue, guys, I would like you to leave a like or subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. I'm multitasking right now, trying to do a lot, and it would just mean a lot to me. Yeah. Okay, so we've created the main activity, the splash screen, and now we're going to just give it an image view, just like that for Play Store, but ours will be different. Just drag and drop. Okay, let me set the constraints. Okay, then I'm going to just create a new vector. I'm going to drawable folder, create a new vector asset that we're going to use as our image. Click there on, wait a bit for it to load. Okay, let me choose something that looks good. Okay, let's go with the bulb. Okay, let me rename that to emoji. Okay, click next, then finish, and then we have our drawable. Then we can now set is the source of our something that we're going to match into our image view to the emoji now from the drawables. Okay, so guys, that is it. That's our activity that we expect, our splash screen that we're going to see before we navigate to application. So to do that, you need to come to manifest and change a few details. So right left of your screen, you're going to see there's a manifest file.xml. Then just scroll down to where you can see main activity, then interchange. You need to interchange that. Where there is a splash activity, you give it main activity. Then where there is a main activity, you give it splash activity. Then it will automatically start. As you can see, there is a true from where the splash screen now is. So that one will automatically launch our application with the splash screen. So first of all, we need to use our handler method to set like time. It will take how long for it to open our main activity. So we're going to use handlers in Java to do that. So come to your splash screen .java file, then initialize the handlers. So we're going to say final handler equals new handler. then looper dot get main looper. Okay, let me reduce that fast. Start finish with the typing. Okay, handler dot post delay. We're going to have to set some fixed time in milliseconds that our splash activity splash screen will take before it opens the main activity. So, and to do that, just come there, place a comma, then specify now the number of milliseconds. For me, I've placed 2000, that is like 2 seconds. So our splash screen will be seen for 2 seconds, then our main activity will be launched. And to do that, inside the handler, I mean the post delay method, you now specify what to be done after the 2 milliseconds, I mean after the 2000 milliseconds are over. So we're going to say intent equals new intent to open now the main activity. Then we're going to start the activity, the intent, and by doing that our splash screen will be seen for 2 seconds, then our main activity will be now opened. Then we're going to set finish so that we're not going to go back after opening our application. We're not going to see the splash screen again. So that's the use of that finish. So let's try now to run it, check it out. Okay, this might take a while. Okay, yeah, as you can see, it's loading our splash screen. Let's try that again. Okay, let me get rid of that finish so that we can maybe go back and see. Okay, wait a little, waiting. Okay, it's now launching for a second. Okay, you'll see, yeah, that is it, our splash screen now. Then we're now seeing the main activity. Okay, maybe I think I have to just increase the size of that image so that we can see clearly. Let me try to enlarge that. Okay, or maybe just set that to match parent, the width to match parent. Then we can now be able to see clearly. Just to run it again. Okay, we expect now to see our huge image before our main activity. Give it some time. Okay, there it is. Then for 2 seconds, now we can see our main activity. Thank you for watching, and please leave a like and subscribe. Okay, thanks.